Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a Target dollar spot haul. I went in yesterday and my Target was just putting out the Christmas stuff in the dollar spot, so I was so super excited. I really want to go back today and see the rest of it because they were still unloading boxes, but I grabbed a few things because I want to put them to use in my craft fair that I'm working on. So let's jump right in. I'm going to share what I picked up. So these little tubes right here are hand lotion. They're scented hand lotion. And this one says snow flurries, and then this one says sweet macaroon. And these were only $1. So aren't those super cute? So I'm gonna include these in some little treat bags that I'm making for my craft fair. And this would be a super cute little fun, inexpensive gift. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I did pick up this one as well. I picked up 5. This one's berry icicle scent, and I haven't opened any of them yet, but it looks like it's like a thick hand cream. So hopefully it's good quality. I'll probably open up one just to see, but super cute, and it was only $1 a piece. I did pick up these really cute chapstick, it's lip balm set. And I just especially love the little decorations on the little chapstick. It was $3 and you get 5. So that's actually a really good deal. So if you want to make your little chapstick lip balm holders, this would be perfect to put in those. And they're already decorated super cute. So I picked up one of those, and then I did pick up some lip gloss, the lip gloss trio set. And again, this was, wait a minute, I think it was $3. I'm pretty sure this was $3 as well. I don't see the price, but I just thought these were absolutely adorable. And again, I can include this in as like a little gift as part of my little things that I'm putting together for the craft fair. So I picked up that, and then I also picked up these, it's Epsom salt, but this one's scented sweet macaroon, and this one's the snow flurries, and these were only $1. So this is gonna go into a little gift bag. This is perfect to give to crafty friends. This is like an extra little treat if you're doing Happy Mail. And then obviously fun stocking stuffers and all that good stuff. So I picked up a couple of those. I did pick up some pencils. I just really like the design and the colors of these pencils, and it's a 10 count for $1. Really cute little fun set. I just love the pastel pink and blue deer and snowflakes, adorable. And then I picked up one sticker sheet, this puffy sticker set. I just thought this was absolutely adorable. Let me just zoom in. Hopefully it's focusing for you guys. There's a little glare, so I really can't tell. But I just thought these were super cute, and this would probably be really fun to add to rosettes. So that is why I picked this little set up. And then I also picked up a banner. It looks like this, and I'm sorry for the glare, but it is a green felt banner, and I plan on decorating my craft table with this banner, and it was $3. I'm gonna use my Cricut and cut out some letters so it will say Merry, and then I'll have it decorated with like 2 bows, and it'll go alongside my little craft table. I think that would be super cute for just a little added decoration. I'm really getting excited about this craft fair, as you can see. And then I picked up this little, it's a wooden decorative block, and it's a tabletop sign, and it says Very Merry, and it's got a foil on it, so it's very shiny. And then on the back it says Holly and Jolly. And again, I'm going to use this as decoration in my craft fair, and it was $3. So that is my Target dollar spot haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.